Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, today's video is gonna be today's tutorial is gonna be how to design a school website with an online system of school management where students can view their results, where students can check their result and print it out with an access given from the admin, where teachers can upload student details, upload their results, upload their subject, their rendering, upload their and update their behavioral activities in the school, where principals can also log in to see what's happening on the school. But um, the main functionality is about the admin. The admin give access to everything on this school, online school student and school management portal. But first, let us go through the front end to see how the school website looks like. This is school website I developed for an institution, price tag. You can see the home, the about, the courses, the program, the blog details, the contact, and the portal itself, which is the back-end work of it. It's the most important part of the school website as an online system of management. They have the front page. You can see the courses rendered by the school. You can have a about page. The about page, one can view teachers, one can call any teacher from the website. It's embedded. We have the course and programs, each program being rendered by a school and the available admission going on. We have the blog details. We have the blog details and what's happening on the school. We have the event details to update the individuals, everyone out there about what's happening in the school and the contact details. I want to show you about the contact details. Contact details, we have an embedded map on it to help you navigate or see where the school is actually, if it's closer, if it's close to your residence, this is where it is. Then one can contact the school from the form online to contact the school, and the details are here also for the school. It's a very nice and well developed script and website for anyone to use. Then most importantly, which is the backend work, that is the online system of school management portal. Everything going on physically on the school on ground can also happen online. The functionalities are great. Let's dive into the portal and let's see everything about it. I'm going to be giving you guys more details on this school portal. The admins and everything here is awesome. Let's dive. This is my database. I will show you guys how the database works and how you can actually link your backend to the front end. It's a very nice online system of management. Let's log in into the portal to show you guys how it works. We're going to do it step by step. So on the school portal, we have the admin login, we have the student login, we have the principal login, we have the accountant and the teacher. But the admin give access to everyone here to log in. So let's start with the admin. Let's see how the admin looks like. This is the admin system. This is the admin with a very nice user interface. You can see the dashboard is well organized, well detailed, and well done. Now, let's go to the sidebar of the dashboard. When you have this detail, we have the profile, administrative manager, student management, class attendance, view attendance record, behavioral analysis, class management, subject. There's so much under. You have the subject, you have result management, we have the fees management, we have the admin, principal, accountant, mails, and all other functionalities. Let's go through the admin, the administrative management, which is where you can see the school profile, save school information. You can update these things from the admin dashboard. This I want to show you guys about the current term. Current term is school works term by term, first, second, and third term, because it depends on your kind of school management. We in Africa and other countries, part of the world, we can use our term is 3 terms. So one can come in and update the terms you are using. You can update if you are in the correct section of the term, you can update the term here to third term. You can see the current term updated because this term works with everything. The result viewing, the upload result works with each term. But I'll go back to my first term, which I'll be teaching on using to teach this video, this tutorial today. Then the section. One can actually add section. As you can see, section is on current section is the latest year which you are in. One can put it, you can select any section, you can add a section, you can save to update your section. You can add section as you can see on the functionality. Maybe next year you want to add the next year which is 2024. You can come here and say 2023 through 2024 add. If you go back to my add section to current section, you can go back there and you see that the section there is you can see awesome. You can put it there. So everything on the school from the admin which is in charge of the school portal updates everything. So if admin said this is a recent term, let me update it. You can update it from here. But now I'm working with 2019 for this tutorial. I've already built it according to 2019 section. Now you can see the student management. You can register new student. Let's see. You can register new student. Awesome. Very nice UI interface and dashboard. If you have a new student in your school, you want to add the person to your database, to your online school system, you come here, you upload student details. Let's try it. Let's take any picture. Let's take a picture. You can see it here. You can put any if it is just one previous school attended, let's say Rose Mary College. Last class pass, let me say primary six. The last name, let's say Omezi Precious. First name Precious. Male, date of birth. So these are things the admin can do. I'm showing you guys what your admin can do. There's a lot of functionalities here. Country, which country. If you want to use any country, you can come here. One can use any country, Nigeria, state, also the country, can put Adamawa or Delta, local government, Oshimili. I'm not going details to show everything, but everything here is how you can create your student details. Then you input the user field, the middle name, you submit. There's a lot of submissions here, very important. Server, student address. Let me just use everything. Let me log in everything here. Nearest number 00, condition good, father's name Gerard, occupation engineer, same as mother's name, I have Esther, um, business, let's see, civil servant, then the phone number, then your sponsor, which is your father, then the number, I copy from here. Um, sponsor address, you can add any address you want to, you can, occupation, anything. The father can still be a sponsor as an engineer, in relationship, father. Then you come here and put Gerard. So submit. Put field again, you need nearest number, okay. Let's add all this here. So as you can see, these have been imputed. So let's save to see how it looks like. As you can see, registration successful with the reg number. So once you create a student details, the system automatically gives you the reg number, because normally there's the reg number, there's there are list of reg number imputed in the dashboard, in the database, that once you create a new student, it assigns that reg number according to the class. If it's JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, there's a reg number that you can see. This is JSS230. So, and this is a password to the student. So you as an admin, you make sure you have these details down and pass it down to the student or to the teachers handling those students. That's how it works. So let's go and check this particular student. Let's see if it's in the student management. Let's go check view students. Let's see if we can get the one I imputed. Look at it here. Awesome. Awesome. You can see Omezi Precious here, Bobby here. This is the reg number generated and this is the password. You can edit, you can do other stuff on it. So for the student management, you have registered students, you can help promote all students like to the next class. Let me say everyone in this JSS1 class pass their exams, then you promote all the students here. So on the database, it records that this student have been promoted to the next class. So you can see it's an online system of school management. We have promote selected student. Let me not all students pass. Let me say 2 out of 30 students failed. You promote the main student and keep others behind. Then demote student if student behaving very poor in the class, you can demote the student back to the other class to learn more things. Then as you can see, we did view student just now. So you can see everything is like an online system of school management. We have the class attendance where you can view but dis attendance are being done by the teachers, not the admin. Admin can only view what the teachers imputed as class attendance. That's why you have dis teachers login. But let's view dis class attendance for each student. Let's see. You can see all dis students are all present for dat particular term. They were all present. You can actually view attendance record for each year to see if dis particular student was in school so so year, so so time and so so term. That's how this one works. Then behavioral details when you have what each student is doing. Because teachers can actually report to you as an admin from this online school sheet, school online Microsoft Excel sheet on how these students are behaving. Manually handled. You have the export behavioral Excel sheet. You can export these details to each parent asking or each individual asking. Everything here is well organized. We have the class management, which is very, very important. We have the class management. We have the class management. You can add new class. You can view added class. You can view added class, which is you can add new classes to these classes. The class here is up to 10. We have the JS1, JS2, Science 1, and other stuff. You can delete a class and you can add a class. You can add new class. Let me try adding a new class. Let me say SS2, SS2, A. You can go back and search or view the new added class. A very awesome developed website for you. As you can see, SS2A have been added to the number of classes and added to the database. You can see everything is awesome. The UI is nice. So right now, subject management. As an admin, you can manage every subject. You can add a subject, you can view added subject, you can register student subject. Let me say for SS2, um I want SS2 to be offering just 5 courses on that particular theme. I can come here and add those subjects here. I can view research subject they are offering. I can specify each subject, the subject to the particular class because in place like Nigeria, we have the junior secondary classes, we have the senior secondary classes. So each subject you are giving out, you have to specify each class or each which program is offering that particular subject so that any student logging in into his dashboard as a junior or a senior secondary person or a student can see all the senior secondary from SS1 to SS2, the subject they are offering, and they will select those subjects they are offering and add it to their subject they are offering for that particular term. So let's just try and specify. Let's specify the junior secondary subject. As you can see, when you have JSI junior secondary, this subject are not as subject they don't offer. So as an admin, you come here and select the subject each junior secondary will be offering. You add it here. Let's um let's go with mathematics. You can save offer subject. It's been added. Very awesome, awesome, awesome. So right now, let's go back to the subject. Let's see view added subjects. These are added subjects. These are all the subject added. I can come here and also add any new subject I want the student to be offering. I can add subject if I want to add new subject to the term for any student. Register student subject for the student. You can see it here. You can register subject for student. It's a very nice script to explore with awesome functionalities. Now let's go down to the result management. As an admin, the teachers have the right to upload results, and when they upload results, you be the one to view those results, then upload it and publish it. That means they first upload the result to you, then you view the result and upload. Let's view result. Let's view uploaded result, because as a student, each result you have is being uploaded online for you to see. Let's go see. Let's start viewing the results on the first thing. Now, as you can see, I selected JSS1, mathematics, and first term. So this gives you all the details of each student in JSS1, from their CA, from their second CA, from their exam score, and the top rank, the highest score in the class. As you can see, this is already organized by this script I developed for you, which is, you can see the reg number of the students, you can see the roll calls, the first 10 CAs, the second 10, the second CA, and the exam score. This is ranking first as first in mathematics for the class. You can have same roll call, but we have the first and we have the list. So everything as an admin, you can view everything here as an admin. I will also log into the student dashboard to see how this works. Um, Result management. You can also publish result as an admin. After viewing the result, when the teacher sends it to you, you can just come here and upload or publish a particular result here. Here is already published, so I can't republish again. So you can only publish once or delete. We have the fees management. Here, admin can allocate each fees for each term or for each teacher to be paid, and also view outstanding fees, who is owing fees for the term. Um, Also, you can also add more admins to yourself if you don't want to be the only one having access to this general online school portal. You can come here and add admins. You can come here and remove an admin also. In the add admin is a function there. You have the principal. You can add new principal. You can have two principal added. You can have accountant also added to your school. You can have teachers. You can add a new teacher to a subject. Maybe you want to have a new teacher to a subject. You add, you view teacher's portfolio. You add a teacher. You can also view teacher's portfolio to know your teachers. You can also know teacher and the classes. As for now, we have only one teacher here teaching mathematics. You can also come here and see each teacher's subject and his offering and what they're offering. You can come here and view also. You can reset password as an admin if you want to set password. You can email everybody on the portal, and you can also send a general contact to everyone on this portal. It's a very nice, awesome, very nice and awesome school management system I'm teaching you guys. So this is how this school portal works as an admin. But I want to show you guys about the student. I know that would be a nice thing to show. Student portal as a student. How does the student portal looks like? I want to show you how the portal looks like on the student. Let me go to my database and let me show you how the student portal looks like. I've already inputted all this on the database, so to make it easier for me, log in as a student. Awesome. This is how the student dashboard looks like. On this portal, I want to show you guys something also. And the admin can give access to students to view their results with a pin generated on the database. And an admin can also disable that pin if the admin wants to. Let me give you guys an example. Let me log out from this. As an admin, I'm having issues here. Okay, sorry about that. So now, as an admin, I want to show you guys how an admin can enable the pin. Wow, what is happening? Sorry for the delay. E, sorry. E. So I want to show you guys something very important about the school setting. So as an admin, you can come here and disable is crash card pin. There's a pin generated on the database that each student can have. So when you come here, you can enable the pin here to make student log in. Now I've enabled this pin here for a student to use a pin to log in, and each pin can be given to each student by the admin manually. So let's go back to the school portal for the students. Now this is student school portal. Let's log in back to the student school portal. FSTC. Now, as a student, this is a student portal. Nice portal dashboard for each student. You can see your profile, your subject to offer. You can come here and view your subject to offer. All students, all subject to be offered by TC students. But I want to use a particular student. Have I've given some particular subject to demonstrate this, which is FSTC student. Okay, see. So I enable the pin. This pin, the student cannot use any pin except a pin given to the student manually from the admin. Let's go back to the local host to see the pin I already given to each student to use. As you can see on your database, you can see unused pins. These are pins that are not being used by a student. Once a student use a pin to check its result, that pin cannot be used again. It can't be used again by anybody to check result. This is to make the security of the school portal good enough for anybody not to manipulate. Okay, one. So let's go and check result. As you can see, this particular student is not assigned to that class. Let's say I think the NC1 first term section 2019, then the pin, the same issue. I want to like clarify this. Let's take another database from new student. At first, let me set the recent. Okay, so now let's try and check the student results from online. Bright Star School Portal. So now these subjects are not imprinted already. That's why it's not showing. But this is how the whole system looks like about your school. Then this let me go back to the admin and disable this enable pin. I'm trying to check if it can also come up that way. But right now on the database, I just checked that it was only students giving SS1 classes I actually imputed on database. So that's how it looks like. So now if you are new to PHP, if you are new to PHP, you are new to working with Namecheap, you can you can go to namecheap.com where you can actually go to namecheap.com and buy a domain name for testing purposes to work with this particular script for online system of school management. Let's dive into Namecheap. Network is bad. Now let me show you guys how to view results. Okay, I went to the one I hosted online without scratch card being enabled yet, but one can actually view this result. Let's go here. No records he found. Okay, let me check the current term. Sorry. Admin, admin. the section was changed. That's why it was affected. So go back to the section. I inputted those results here, section, because this work with section. The student cannot view a particular result depending on the section the admin has, has imputed into the database. So now the section is 2019 now. Then the term has to be first term. So now if you go back to the student portal and select JS1A, select the term, first term, select the section 2019. That's where you can view your result and check your results. Okay, let's log in back into the student portal as a student. More I do video, ah God abeg I don tire.